for the Scoundrel build, okay. The reason you go for full chamber is when the fire bullets, you get like 10% of the critical strike. So this is like a crit build. It always works on this build. So you stack the deck. So you get 7 cards. So you're everything flame cards, because flame cards do a lot of damage, but it's not Scott's build. This is another guy's build, but I use it as mine. So on the line, the damage buff for level is higher. So every time you do a rank 3 or higher, like 3, 4, and 5, you do like, if it's like rank 2 or lower, you get 25%. So 3, 4, or 5 is very good. So you get 25% more damage. So this is very good. Every time you get rank 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. So if you keep curve shots on them, this do like so when you charge like this, when you charge, so when you see this gun, you see you charge, you do 4 shots. It's like 4 shots. So charge is like 4 shots. So 4 shots, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's like the combo. So you can do like 4 shots, but then you got another 4 shots. So it's like 8 shots of combo. And then True Gambler is like your crits do extra damage. It's increased more by 10%. So it's like very good. Very good. So the equipment. Okay, the equipment you always need. I think it's the best option. Okay, so you see the crit. That's like plus 2 crit. 2% crit, 2% crit. That's like 4% crit right now. 4%. 5, 6%, 7, 8% of crits, 8% of the crits, and then you got a crit chance. So I like that because it's very. But I want to reroll that DOTs because I want to get that crit chance, but I can't get it. Okay, and then you need bleed because the bleed is the very good stuff. Okay, then this is the tile set you need. MIN FMI MFI IMF, and the last one is INM. It's like INM, but these will always procs once you do the combo. For the rotation, this is the rotation. So you grab, burn, shot, burn. Okay, you burn it, and then you charge while you're doing this. So you go burn, shot, charge, shot. Okay, burn, charge, shot, burn, charge, shot, curve shot. Remember, curve shots. So first rotation is like curve shots, burn, shot, burn, shot. But you make sure you charge it at the same time while you're doing it. So you try to grab it, burn, shot, burn, shot, curve shots. So you go curve shots, burn, shot. You do a lot of damage. It does a lot of damage. I saw one time, I had like rank 3 or 4. I do like 100 Ks per hit when I do this rotation. It's very awesome. It's very awesome. I'm enjoying this build because I can kill this very easily. But Angela is a world boss. So